Pilih squishy sesuai bulan kelahiranmu. Januari, squishy Rich Ball. Februari, squishy Shuffle. Maret, squishy Anabul Oyen. April, squishy Anak Ayam. Mei, squishy Milk Cups. Juni, squishy Salmon Sushi. Juli, squishy Anak Bebek. Agustus, squishy Hamster. September, squishy Strawberry. Oktober, squishy Pink Anabul. November, squishy Pudding. Desember, squishy Rabbit Milk Brick.